Hey, American hunters, buckle up. This one's gonna rattle some cages. For generations, we've argued over the flattest shooting cartridges. Grandpa loved his classics, your buddy swears by the latest hype, and every forum's got a different laser beam pick. But what if the real data, crunched from factory loads, high BC bullets, and actual trajectory tables, shows some calibers that shock even the experts?
Today, we're revealing these 5 flattest shooting cartridges by caliber class that are turning heads in 2026. We're talking rounds within
Number 5. 6.5 300 Weatherby Magnum, the velocity king of the 6.5s. Introduced 2016, factory loaded by Weatherby. Parent case 300 Weatherby Magnum. Bullet diameter 264-inch 6.5 millimeter. Bullet weights 127 to 140 grains. Muzzle velocity 127 gram LRX 3500 FPS. 130 gram Sirocco 3476 FPS. 140 gram A-frame 3395 FPS. Muzzle energy 3400 to 3700 foot-pounds. Effective range 600 plus yards. Recoil high 25-30 foot-pounds. Why it's a flat shooting monster. The 6.5 300 Weatherby Magnum is the fastest 6.5 millimeter cartridge available in factory form. It combines the high ballistic coefficients of 6.5 millimeter bullets with insane velocities, resulting in ridiculously flat trajectories and very little drop even past 500 yards. This is the ultimate long-range hunting cartridge for those who demand extreme performance. Best uses in the field: long-range big game hunting, western elk, mule deer, antelope, mountain hunts, sheep, goats, shots beyond 400-600 yards, wind-resistant precision shooting. Pros flattest trajectory of any 6.5 millimeter round. Extremely fast and hard-hitting, ideal for long-range game shots. Retains energy at distance. Superior ballistic coefficients, especially with 127 to 140 grain bullets. Cons: high recoil and significant muzzle blast. Very short barrel life, 600-800 rounds typical. Expensive ammo, Weatherby proprietary. Not ideal for high-volume shooting. Overkill for short-range deer hunting. Popular rifles chambered in 6.5 300 Weatherby Magnum. Weatherby Mark V Accuma-Mark. Weatherby Mark V Backcountry. Weatherby Vanguard HSP. Custom long-range bolt actions. Number 4. 257 Weatherby Magnum, the flat-shooting speed demon. Introduced 1944 by Roy Weatherby. Parent case .375 H&H Magnum. Bullet diameter .257-inch 6.53 millimeters. Typical bullet weights 87 to 120 grains. Muzzle velocity 100 grain 3500-3600 FPS. 115 grain 3300 FPS. 120 grain 3200 FPS. Muzzle energy 2900-3100 feet-pounds. Max effective range 500 plus yards. Recoil moderate 17 to 20 feet-pounds. Why it's a legend in flat shooting? The 257 Weatherby Magnum is often called one of the flattest shooting commercial cartridges in the world. Designed by Roy Weatherby himself, this round was made to push the limits of velocity while maintaining high energy retention and pinpoint accuracy at long range. It drops less than most calibers at 400 to 500 yards, making it a dream round for open country hunters targeting deer, pronghorn, and sheep. Best uses in the field: long-range deer hunting, pronghorn antelope and varmint control, mountain game, sheep, goats, flat terrain or windy western plains, precision long-range shooters. Pros: incredibly flat trajectory, high muzzle velocity, devastating terminal energy on light to medium game, minimal wind drift at long ranges, outstanding factory ammo options from Weatherby, Cons: barrel wear from extreme velocity. Ammo is expensive and mostly proprietary, Weatherby brand. Not ideal for heavy game like elk or moose. Requires a longer barrel, 24 to 26, to perform at peak velocity. Loud with significant muzzle blast. Popular rifles chambered in .257 Weatherby Magnum. Weatherby Mark V, various models. Weatherby Vanguard Series 2. Custom bolt-action builds with long barrels. Number 3.
.26 Nosler. It was built to be one of the flattest shooting commercial cartridges ever made, and it delivers serious power with blistering speed. 26 Nosler full overview. General description. Caliber 6.5mm 264, introduced by Nosler Inc. In 2013, first in the Nosler cartridge family, parent case 300 Remington Ultra Magnum, RUM shortened and neck down. This cartridge was designed with one mission in mind: maximum speed and flat trajectory from a 6.5mm bullet. It pushes bullets so fast it practically erases holdover under 500 yards. Bullet diameter 264 in, 6.7 ma, neck diameter 296 in, shoulder diameter 525 in. Extremely flat. This is one of the fastest 6.5mm cartridges in existence. Use cases: big game hunting. Perfect for long-range deer, elk, sheep, and antelope hunting. High velocity equals devastating terminal performance, even past 500 yards. Long-range shooting. Laser flat trajectory. Very little wind drift in the first 600-800 yards. High retained energy downrange. Pros and cons. Pros: one of the flattest shooting 6.5s ever made. Very high muzzle velocity. Amazing long-range performance. Devastating terminal ballistics. Cons: barrel burner. Expect 800-1200 round life on standard barrels. Heavy recoil compared to 6.5 PRC or Creedmoor requires a long-action rifle. Ammunition can be pricey and less available. Overkill for short-range applications. Firearms chambered in. 26 Nosler. Nosler initially launched this round in their custom rifles, but now other manufacturers have joined in. Popular models: Nosler M48 Long Range, Nosler M21, Christensen Arms Mesa FFT, Weatherby Mark V Custom Builds.
Number 2.
28 Nosler. Caliber 284 7M, introduced by Nosler in 2015. Second in the Nosler proprietary line, parent case 300 Remington Ultra Magnum, RUM shortened and necked down. The 28 Nosler was designed to maximize performance from 7M bullets. It's often compared to the 7M Rem Mag, 7 MSTW, and 300 Win Mag, but beats them all in velocity and energy while using a standard long-action rifle. Bullet diameter 284 in, 7.2 m neck diameter, 317 in, shoulder diameter, 534 in. Big game ready. Berger VLD 180 GRE 1050 FPs, 3725 FDLB ZLR optimized. These numbers outperform the 7mm Rem Mag by 15200 FPs and often rival 300 Win Mag in energy, but with better aerodynamics and less recoil. Use cases. Long-range hunting. Exceptional for elk, mule deer, mountain goats, moose, especially in wide-open, mountainous terrain. Flat trajectory means less guesswork on those 500-plus yard shots. Extreme long-range shooting. Perfect for ringing steel at 1,000-plus yards. High-B C7M bullets like 175 Jure Berger or 180 GRA Hornady ELDM are match killers. Pros and cons. Pros: extreme velocity and energy. Superb downrange ballistics with high-B C7M bullets. Flat trajectory and low wind drift. Outperforms many. .30 caliber magnums. Factory ammo from Nosler and others. Cons: short barrel life, 800-1200 rounds. Heavy recoil, more than 6.5 PRC, less than 300 RUM. Ammo cost and availability can be a hurdle. Requires a long-action rifle firearms chambered in. 28 Nosler. Several top-tier rifle makers chamber for 28 Nosler, Nosler M48 long-range carbine, Bergara B14 Ridge or HMR, Christensen Arms Ridgeline, Savage 110 High Country, Proof Research Elevation, Custom Bolt Actions galore.
Number 1.
An MPRC. This cartridge has gained popularity for its performance and long-range capabilities. The 7MPRC Precision Rifle Cartridge is a relatively new, high-performance rifle cartridge developed by Hornady, introduced in late 2022. It's designed to offer superior long-range accuracy, high ballistic efficiency, and powerful energy retention, making it ideal for both precision shooting and big game hunting. Quick specs: bullet diameter 284, 7M, case type beltless, short magnum style, based on 375 Ruger, typical bullet weights 160-180 grains. Muzzle velocity 2,953,000 FPs with 180 GR bullets. Effective range 1,200 plus yards. Supersonic and ethical hunting range. Platform long action bolt rifles. NOTAR 15 or ARAR 10 compatible. Key advantages: extreme long range capability with heavy 4 caliber, high BC bullets, G180 GR/ELDX. It excels past 1,000 yards. High ballistic coefficients, less wind drift and drop, great for PRS style and ELR extreme long range shooting. Excellent hunting round, ideal for elk, moose, and other large game at extended ranges. Modern design uses a standardized, match-style throat, optimized for long, sleek bullets, like the 180 GR/DM without excessive freebore. Drawbacks: recoil, more than 6.5 Creedmoor or 308 Winchester, closer to 300 Win Mag. Ammo cost/availability: as a newer round, ammo and rifles are more limited and expensive, though growing quickly. Barrel life: high pressures and velocities may lead to shorter barrel life, 1,500-2,000 rounds of peak precision,